I'm about to do a setup for a YouTube video, getting ready with me and just talking about discipline and motivation. But I wanted to share this. How amazing is this setup? I have this little light. It came with a tripod, got it from Amazon, but it also, you can take it off of this and I can attach it to my tripod along with my phone or my camera. This works with phones and cameras because it has a little spot that you can open to slide your phone in, or you can just use this little ball. There's a little a screw right there that you can just screw this part in. This light will tell you where the battery is at. I should turn it off while I'm just doing this thing because I don't know how long my video will be, but just a really easy setup. This could go anywhere, and because this is on a little ball, you can have it faced totally down. You can make it sideways. Like, there are so many different configurations. This is like the perfect tripod for cameras and phones instead of having one separate for your phone and your camera. It gets really, really tall too. But I thought I'd just share this because so often I've always wondered, like, what is the perfect setup? Like, what is something that will travel light, that will compact and go anywhere? And I think I just found it. Also, I just got this new Sony. I absolutely love it. It looks so good when you're doing film. It has a little microphone on top. You have the flip out screen that you can use. And then I also bought this dummy battery. So you can see that I have this part open because I'm not using a regular battery that you charge. I just have this plugged in over here. So I have a consistent charge always. But if you're looking for a good setup, I got all this stuff on Amazon. I will link it to my storefront and you can purchase it, but highly recommend. You don't need to have a really big ring light. You see that one in the back? I'm gonna put that away. I'll probably honestly get rid of it. I just want something simple. I've been looking for the perfect simple, easy to maneuver, and something that goes on the countertop or outside, anywhere, and I found it. So I hope that this is helpful for you because it's been a godsend for me. So happy shopping, happy filming. Don't forget to hit record and upload. So often we record things that we never upload, and what's even the point? Don't be scared. Just get out there, make magic, show up, be you, and people will follow. All right. Talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with a friend. This is an affiliate link, so if you do shop, it's my Amazon link. They didn't sponsor this. I bought everything, but I hope it helps. Take care. Bye, guys.